Here's how to fix AirPods Pro 3 not connecting to your iPhone. If your AirPods Pro 3 won't connect, keep showing a connection failed error, or get stuck during setup, follow these fixes one by one. First, check for an iPhone software update. Open the Settings app. Go to General. Tap Software Update. If a new iOS version is available, download and install it. You should also make sure your AirPods Pro 3 are running the latest firmware. AirPods firmware updates install automatically while they're connected to your iPhone, charging, and connected to Wi-Fi. Next, force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once your iPhone turns back on, try connecting your AirPods again. If they still won't connect, place both AirPods inside the charging case and charge them for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Low battery can prevent the setup process from completing. Now let's reset the AirPods Pro 3 charging case. Place both AirPods inside the case and leave the lid open. Double tap the front of the charging case 3 times. Keep going until the status light flashes amber, then white. This resets the AirPods and puts them back into pairing mode. Now bring the charging case close to your unlocked iPhone and follow the setup instructions on the screen. If you see a connection failed message during setup, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Turn off any active VPN if you're using one, and temporarily disconnect other nearby Apple devices that may be trying to connect to the AirPods automatically. If the setup still fails, tap Try Again after resetting the AirPods, or restart both your iPhone and the AirPods by closing the case for about 30 seconds before trying again. That's it. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments. Please like this video if it helped and subscribe for more Apple tips and troubleshooting guides.